Family and Friends, 2nd edition, Starter.
Hello and welcome back to our English program. Unit Starter, hello. Today's lesson is Lesson 3, Sounds and Letters. Listen, trace, point, and repeat. First, let's listen after me. A. Apple. Apple. Annie. Annie. Now, let's trace a letter together. Now, bring your pencil and trace along with me. We have letter A. 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 Now, listen and repeat after me. Apple. One more time. Apple. Annie. Annie. Now, listen and chant.
Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple. Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple.
Now, moving on to our next section, stick, then circle and say. Let's take a look at our sticker. Letter A. A. Now look at this picture. Where does this sticker belongs to? Here. A. One more letter. A. Do you find it? That's right. It's here. A. Now circle and say. Circle the letter A. Apples. Apples. Circle the letter A's. Annie. Annie. Now, circle the letter A. Let's take a look at this section. How many A's are there? Let's circle it together. Do you find more? Let's circle it more. Have you circled all the A's? Seems like you all did. And that is the end of our lessons for today. Thank you.